let's talk about the MACD histogram. One of the two components of the MACD complete indicator, very loved indicator by traders, very simple to use. So let's try to understand what it is and what are the uses of this indicator for us, the traders. First of all, where do you find the indicator? Under the indicator sections, oscillators, and the MACD histogram is right here around the middle. So by default, it comes with the same credentials data as the MACD crossover, and you can change the short cycle to 12 and 9 to match the original numbers, or leave it 13. It doesn't change almost nothing. Choose the lines, colors, and thickness, and the style, of course, if you would like. Visibility, on what time frames and chart types it would be visible, and if you want to add specific levels. Once you click OK, it is right there on the chart. So MACD histogram is the distance between the MACD line and the signal line. Very visible and very easy to use, and the advantages of the MACD histogram over the MACD moving average crossover is that the histogram, due to the fact that it is the distance between the two moving average, reacts faster than the moving average itself as the distance shrink or increases. The common ways traders love using the MACD histogram is relying on this horizontal zero line, and when the histogram bars increase, you can see here when they increase above the zero line, and you can see how they get bigger and bigger, the momentum is increased and the expectations that the buyers are in control and the trend will continue to the upside. And the vice versa on the bearish market and bearish momentum, when the bars go below the zero line and below the red line as well, and the market is in a bearish trend, that gives indication. Let's zoom in a little bit here. That gives indication. You can see as they increase here and then here again, they create bigger distance from each other, from the bars and the signal line. So when that happens, that gives indication that the bearish momentum is strong and the trend is expected to continue in the given direction. Look how quicker the histogram changes its direction than the signal line, the moving average itself. Look when the moving average starts to drop, and look when the histogram starts to drop. It gives much earlier signals, and in many times it gives even better trading opportunities, and that's the reason why traders love to use this indicator. As all the other indicators, especially oscillators, I would not recommend using that solely standalone. I would recommend to combine it with other technical tools and, of course, the price itself.